In this video, we are going to learn how to follow the course, including the course flow and the way of learning. Our journey begins with the development of the microservices you can see in here, and we will starting with the catalog API microservices. Here we will embrace the vertical slice architecture and implement CQRS pattern, and this will be a foundational step and sets the stage for the rest of our microservices. Next, we will shift our focus to the basket microservices, where we will apply the distributed caching using Redis, and this will enhance the performance and scalability of our microservices. Following that, we will create discount gRPC microservices. This service will demonstrate efficient microservice communications using gRPC, providing us with a performant inter-service communication channel. Here you can see the basket and discount communication as a gRPC. And after that, the development of the ordering microservices comes next, where we will apply a clean architecture coupled with a CQRS design pattern implementation. This will ensure our microservices is well structured and maintainable. And as we progress with this way, we will implement asynchronous communication patterns with RabbitMQ and Mass Transit library. This will facilitate the checkout basket process between the basket and ordering microservices in asynchronously. And after that, the integral part of our architecture is the API gateway, and we will build an API gateway using the YARP reverse proxy, applying the gateway routing pattern in order to effectively redirecting the request to the appropriate internal microservices. And lastly, we will develop shopping web. In order to tie everything together, we will build the shopping web client application. This is front-end application will consume our microservices using the API gateway, providing tangible user-focused interface for our entire system. And here you can see the way of learning methodology. During the whole course, for each section, we will adhere to our way of learning methodology, which is consist of the 4 key steps. These are the analyze, learn, develop and test, and deploy. So we will start analyzing both domain and technical analysis for each microservices, ensuring we understand the business requirement and the technical landscape for particular microservices. After that, we will delve into learning patterns and principles relevant to our current microservices, ensuring we are equipped with the necessary knowledge to proceed. And after that, with our analyze complete and knowledge in our hand, we will move to development, putting our learnings into practice. So that means we will develop our microservices with .NET and C#. And of course, no development is complete without testing. We will ensure our microservices are robust and ready for productions after performing the testing. And lastly and finally, we will containerize and orchestrate our microservices, deploying them into a Docker environment for real-world use case. By following these steps, we will have a holistic understanding of our e-commerce microservices, both design and implementation steps.